old 2022 Tucson show you up, old Ford. We're gonna get you to start no matter what. We got the boost pack on it. I charged these batteries for the last couple hours. Let's try it again. It's still pretty much negative 50 out. Great stuff. See, it's snowy again. Only using the glow plugs, not plugged in, no ether, no nothing. So let's try it again. There we go. Get that guy going. We're gonna cycle the plugs a couple times. Come on, old girl, don't let the Tucson beat ya. All the money. Damn starter. It's alive. Oh, it's not happy. Oh yeah, it's not happy at all. Yes, sir.